bersalin dan kemauan wala biwakubiyat main amabado. First, I want to say ahlan bikum, marhaban bikum, terima kasih saya Vikas, syukran kathir Mudir Sarif, Mudir Ali Hamid, and all of you come here. First, I want to say thank you, syukran kathir, because all of you we made it. We can say this one is mission impossible. This one, inshallah, because of all of you support, we are passing this Sibaki. First, we might be pessimistic, we cannot pass, but because of the support for all of you, things and the knowledge and Madam Iman, Dr. Mustaq, and from Yalamlam, from Jadam, they share all the knowledge to us. We are become past Sibaki. Inshallah, the next program of the Sibaki for other PSC, we will support. We will share together our knowledge, our skill as we know from the Sibaki. As in our logo, from the card, together we create and we achieve. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.